hello, and subscribe my SUPERFUN YouTube channel. With so many options of baby teether toys out there, such as Smily Mia, Manhattan Toy, Frida Baby, Nuby, Infantino, and more, how to choose the best ones you want? Luckily, we've researched for you and also put together a list of our top 5 best baby teether toys for you to consider. The age range can be quite broad when it comes to teething, though it's likely that teething may begin between 6 and 12 months. The first tooth may appear as early as 3 or 4 months or as late as 14 months. No. 5. Infantino Lil A Nibble Teethers Carrot, silicone soft textured teether for sensory exploration and teething relief, with easy to hold handles, 1 count pack of 1. Design: this teether is right-sized for little hands, with built-in handles and textures to help with developmental growth while satisfying the baby's need to soothe tender gums. Material benefits: designed with BPA-free silicone to provide a strong, yet soft biting experience. Development: mouthing helps babies explore the world using their senses to learn about texture, taste and temperature and build muscles they will use later in life for eating and speaking. Cleaning: easy to wipe clean. No. 4. Nuby Ice Gel Teether Keys. Multi-surface teething makes this teether perfect for assisting in the eruption of front, middle and back teeth. When placed in the refrigerator, Nuby's Per-Ice technology provides gentle cooling on baby's gums. Easy grip design is ideal for little hands and helps with coordination. Dual-surface teether combines exercise for young hands, gums, and teeth. No. 3. Not Too Cold to Hold BPA-free silicone teether for babies by Frida Baby. Not cold handle, safe to choose. SUPERFUN handle stays at room temp so baby's hands don't get chilly. Handle is dishwasher safe, multi-sided, 2 double-sided inserts with 4 different shapes. Cool, all new teeth textured. For massaging textures, stimulate front and back gums. Safe TO chew. Made of BPA-free plus non-toxic. SUPERFUN so little ones can chomp freely. Contents: 1 SUPERFUN handle plus 2 double-sided inserts.
No. 2. Manhattan Toy Winkle Rattle and Sensory Teether Toy.
Baby teething toy made for little hands. The Winkle features a mesmerizing maze of soft, continuous BPA-free teething tubes, and can be refrigerated for additional soothing comfort. A perfect baby chew toy for tiny hands. Baby toy for newborns and up. Safety rated for newborns and up. The Winkle measures 5 inches by 4 inches by 3.5 inches and easily tucks into the diaper bag when baby is on the go. No. 1. Smily Mia Penguin Buddy Never Drop Silicone Baby Teething Toy for 0-6 month infants, baby chew toys for sucking needs, hand pacifier for breastfeeding babies, car seat toy for newborn. Light pink. Asterisk wearable and never drop. Wear on baby's wrist, baby's hand is still free, which is more comfortable than a mitten. Also, no need to use a clip. Keep it from dropping and collecting dirt/hair. Teething pacifiers for 0-6 months sucking babies who refuses normal pacifiers. More than 1 million babies approved. Works as a boob teether and a pacifier for picky babies for soothing. Perfect replacement for finger sucking and chewing. Pediatrician recommended. Little hand is inside the penguin holding the stem. Prevent baby sucking their own fingers. By bringing the product to mouth. Helps with motor skill development. Helps with a good oral habit establishment. Asterisk easy to wash. Made of BPA-free, food-grade silicone. Dishwasher and freezer safe. Please like and share my video and subscribe my SUPERFUN YouTube channel.